Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're picking tomatoes. Yeah, we're gonna be picking a lot. And my hail is the bowl. Okay, so look at these. Oh, and here's a little secret. I'm gonna use these for my grandma's sauce. Ooh, look at it. Don't worry. Yeah, I think there are a couple more over here. Ah, there they are. Okay. You're probably thinking, Andrew, why are you picking them if they're still green? Aren't you supposed to pick them when they're ripe? You are, but even though that the tomatoes are off the plant, they can still get more red. And if we leave them on for a bit too long, they can split, and bugs can get them because they're white. Yeah. The spiders in my hair. Anyone want a tomato sandwich? It's so beautiful. I wasted it. Guys, look, these are from the multi-bed. Hang on, let me get one. Oh no, come back. Okay, little buddy, that was a big fall. Look at these guys. Look at them apples. Well, if you said that, if you gave this to me and said that it was just like a really big apple, I'd probably think it was a really big apple. Okay. Oh yeah. That guy was easy to pull off. See, this guy was starting to split. Oh, that's one giant. This is all one tomato. I'm gonna need some pliers or scissors. This is one tomato. I'm speechless. Now to the multi-bed. Look at all of them. Whoa, it just almost fell. See, this is what I mean by it split. I just hit the jackpot the jackpot here. This month's bed went crazy again because we had a heat spell. But like all of the veggies are still looking good. Okay. Guys, we're almost out of room in the bucket. Here we got some. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We hit the overload. Okay, so I can get my mom's running cucumbers out of there. There's another one cucumber. And then, if you can see it, there's another one right there. Oh, yeah. There we go. Who's your pioneer? Did your lemon cucumbers grow? Hi guys. Let me get that leaf out of your way. There you go. Yeah, got you. Mine now. Okay guys, so me and I'm naming this guy Monster. So me and Monster are going into the house. So make sure that you tell me if your tomatoes grew, and tell everybody about me and my mom's lemon cucumbers. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Mom, I got you your lemon cucumbers and the monster.